To our reporters at this point. Sharon joining us from Nirman Bhavan, Arun Danta from Janpat Road, Anvit is joining us from Yamuna Vihar, and Siddhant. So he's back from Lucknow, back into Delhi, and he's at the Tughlaq Crescent. Let's first go across to Anvit at Yamuna Vihar. Whereabouts are you, Anvit? And I do see there are a few voters behind you, queuing up.
Yes, Anand, we are in Yamuna Vihar, and this is the polling booth in this area where the voters have started turning out, and we have some voters who have already cast their vote. Sir, वोटिंग हो गई आपकी, कैसा रहा और क्या लोकल मुद्दे हैं जिन पे आप लोगों ने वोट किया है?
लोकल मुद्दे इस समय तो कंट्री का मुद्दा है, क्योंकि ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर की सिलेक्शन का एक इलेक्शन है और हम ये समझते हैं कि ये इतनी बड़ी कंट्री जिसमें इतनी वेरिएशंस होती हैं, उसमें एक लीडर का रोल बहुत बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है। उस लीडर के बिल्कुल विजन क्लियर होना चाहिए, मुझे करना क्या है, मुझे बातें ही नहीं करनी है, मुझे करके दिखाना है। तो जहाँ लीडर क्लियर हो, हमारा भी उस तरफ ही गया आइडिया।
तो इस एरिया में जैसे मनोज तिवारी वर्सेस कन्हैया कुमार देखा जा रहा है, तो दोनों कैंडिडेट्स को लेके क्या लोगों में क्या वो है?
देखो, ये अपनी अपनी पृष्ठभूमि से हैं। इन लोगों ने पहले भी इलेक्शन मनोज तिवारी जी ने लड़े हैं, यहीं से लड़े हैं, और जहां तक मैं समझता हूं मुद्दा इस समय जो है वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर
की सिलेक्शन का है। एब्सोल्यूट क्लैरिटी देयर इन द हेड ऑफ द वोटर, इन द माइंड ऑफ द वोटर देयर। Anvit, thank you for that. News just coming through as phase 6 polls are underway. Prime Minister and Home Minister are urging people to vote in large numbers. These 58 seats matter a lot for all those who are in contention, ladies and gentlemen. Many would be considering one of the people either very close to that halfway number of 272 or way par that 272 number. But now from the BJP's point of view, it is getting close to that 400 as NDA. PM Modi has posted on X, I urge all those who are voting in the 6th phase of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections to vote in large numbers. Every vote counts, make yours count too. Specially urge women voters and youth voters to vote in large numbers. Home Minister Amit Shah has said, I appeal to all voters of Haryana and especially the youth to vote in maximum numbers. Your vote will ensure the safety of borders, discrimination-free jobs for youth and protection of farmers' interests, along with maintaining the pace of development work in the country and the state. Vote to maintain a system free from corruption, nepotism and casteism. So some strong words coming there from the Union Home Minister. Haryana is a point of contention, but let's circle back to Delhi, go back to our reporters. We've got Siddhant joining us from Tughlaq Crescent. Sharon is at Nirman Bhavan. Yes, Sharon. One of the questions that have been asked this time around is also why the Election Commission has taken its time to confirm the electoral data, etc. There have been clarifications that have been issued. But whereabouts are you today, this morning? Who's going to come there where you are to come out and vote?
Good morning, Anand. Like you rightly pointed out, I'm outside Nirman Bhavan polling booth, and here after 8 a.m. The former Congress President Sonia Gandhi and the Congress Member of Parliament Rahul Gandhi will be arriving here to cast their vote. And in this particular booth, mostly it is the government employees, so I won't be able to get a reaction from them. All of them have started. The voting has in fact started over here, and they are leaving, but they are not really speaking to the media, saying that they are government employees. So any time from now at about 8 a.m. Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi will be casting their vote. But interestingly, we have seen how the Aam Aadmi Party has been miffed with the Congress Party regarding the campaign. They have been saying that how Aam Aadmi Party top leaders like Gopal Rai, Arvind Kejriwal, all of them have been campaigning for all the three candidates of the Congress Party, but the top leaders of the Congress Party were in fact missing in the campaign. None of the top leaders, be it Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi, were campaigning for any of the Aam Aadmi Party candidates in Delhi. Could be the reason that how Aam Aadmi Party right now had been surrounded with a number of controversies, be it the Swati Maliwal issue or be it the FCRA issue. So all this might have stopped the Congress top guns to actually be in front and campaign for the Aam Aadmi Party leaders. But when it comes to the Congress candidate for Kanhaiya Kumar, there was a huge rally that was done by Arvind Kejriwal in Northwest Delhi and in Northeast Delhi as well. But clearly the disappointment of the Aam Aadmi Party has been that none of the Gandhis or the top leaders were seen for the
Well,
Aam
the
Aadmi
story
Party
is
candidate.
more people in the AAP were happy about Kanhaiya Kumar's candidature than in the Congress as within Delhi as far as Kanhaiya Kumar's candidature is concerned. But he's up against Manoj Tiwari, so we'd see how that turns out. Manoj Tiwari camp is very confident of an emphatic win. Arun Dhanta joining us from Janpath. Yes, Arun, whereabouts are you?
Well, that's right, Anand. I am in Janpath, and it falls under the New Delhi Lok Sabha constituency. And Bansuri Swaraj, we just saw cast her vote along with her father and left the premises. She didn't speak much to the media. But of course, it's going to be a very, very interesting battle. Let me quickly show the battle. I mean, we have a list of 17 candidates from this constituency, and you can see Bansuri Swaraj from BJP, Rajkumar Anand from Bahujan Samaj Party, and Somnath Bharti for Aam Aadmi from Aam Aadmi Party. So the contest is between these three people. Of course, this is just the beginning, and we have few voters, sir. Who've come here early in the morning. There are very few people, actually, Anand, who've come here to cast her vote. In fact, Bansuri was the first one to cast her vote. आपने अपना vote cast कर लिया है. बहुत कम लोग अभी आने शुरू हुए हैं. किन मुद्दों पर, what are the issues on which you've cast your vote?
I think security is one of them. Security development.
Security मतलब किस तरह की क्या?
Security in terms of nation. And another thing is development, infrastructure development.
तो दिल्ली में आप क्या देखते हैं? What is important for you because you have government of आम आदमी पार्टी और वैसे देश में देखें तो government of BJP. ये कैसे लोग वो करते हैं?
I think nation first, I would say. So,
Nation
course,
first.
yes,
Ma'am,
security.
आपके लिए क्या priorities हैं? What are the priorities for you?
Nation first.
Nation first. How do?
Development.
Sorry.
Development.
अच्छा, डेवलपमेंट. What has happened? Are you happy that the way things are happening? और क्या ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आप चाहते हैं कि होनी चाहिए आगे?
अभी जो हो रहा है मतलब जो डेवलपमेंट हुई है उससे तो हैप्पी हुई पर और भी आगे होनी चाहिए
और भी आगे होनी चाहिए. किस तरह की चीजें?
जैसे एजुकेशन एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड और क्या कह सकते हैं
और जो कैंडिडेट्स हैं बांसुरी स्वराज हैं और एक तरफ सोमनाथ भारती हैं जो 3 बार के MLA हैं आम आदमी पार्टी के. इस फाइट को आप कैसे देख रही हैं?
देखते हैं अब क्या होगा.
close contest. It's a close.
क्लोज कॉन्टेस्ट. क्यों ऐसा क्यों लगता है?
Well, I think both the parties have done equally good for the people. So it's not that one-sided. So for the people of Delhi, of course, Aam Aadmi Party has done a lot of work. At the same time, at the national level, BJP has also done. So in terms of the leader, I would say it's a close contest.
Okay. So these are the voices, Anand, that you've heard. They are saying that it's a close contest, and of course, development is something which is the core agenda which people want. And of course, there is divide. They said that Aam Aadmi Party has done work in Delhi, but when it comes to the national level, it is BJP. So we'll have to see. They are saying it's a close fight, it's a tough fight. What is going to happen, we'll have to see.
Yeah, we have, thanks for that, Arun. We have to credit the voter with a lot of intelligence and a lot of, ability to try and give the person who's asking the question what they want. And by that, they can befuddle very smartly. But more importantly, they can also...
I don't know if they were husband and wife. Seemed like
Yeah.
they were. The husband said, I'm voting for national security, I'm voting for the national issues. And the wife said, I'm voting for jobs and employment and health. So
and development, yeah.
It's interesting.
Yeah, but when you try and push them and trying to get a little more than that, then they we immediately then turn it around. And a lot of places, people will say, "Jisko dena hai, de denge." They're very silent. Just quickly going to Siddhant, and then we'll bring it back into the studio. Yes, Siddhant, whereabouts are you?
Yes, Anand, I have some very enthusiastic voters with us. Will be speaking to us. Sir, आप लोग सुबह सुबह आके वोट दिया. आप लोग.
Well, we wanted to come in early because it'll get very hot after that.
अच्छा, okay.
So I thought we'd do our responsibility.
Okay.
This is a responsibility for every citizen in the country. And we must cast our vote. So me and my wife decided that we'd come in early in the morning.
That's really good, sir.
One to ward off the heat. And we'll discharge our responsibility.
What are the issues in these elections, sir?
I don't want to say it.
You don't want to talk about
I
it.
don't want to talk about it.
Okay, and sir, do you want to make an appeal to the people of the country to come out and vote because we've seen in
Absolutely.
last few phases the voter turnout?
It is very necessary to vote. We have to choose our own leader.
Acha,
We are responsible for it. What is education all about? So that we can choose the person that we want.
Okay.
He or she.
Okay. Ma'am, What are your issues? Do you want to talk about that?
Well, I think this is a very nice, clean way
Okay.
of picking your leader.
Okay.
And I'm very grateful to the government. They gave me an opportunity to say so.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All the way best. So Anand, you know, I'm seeing that a lot of senior citizens are coming to vote early morning, Anand, and in fact they're really enthusiastic. And we were listening to
Siddharth, you
two
should
couple just a
listen.
short while back, and they said that
I'm
people
going to
should
ask
come.
Rahul
Yeah.
Shivshankar to tell us who those two people were
Well,
and why it is significant what they said.
Well, they belong to the Anand family, which of course owns Gabriel shock absorbers, and they make a large